cowboy. Have been all my life. Born in the saddle, as they say. Got on the rodeo circuit when I was 5. Mutton busting, of course. Took first place in Winnemucca when I was 6. Yeah, rodeoing is my life. I've traveled the rodeo circuit all over the West. From Bellingham to Santa Fe, Billings to Klamath Falls. I've ridden the best bred stock the world has to offer. El Diablo, Dynamo, Firestarter, Thunder. Mean bucking steer, wild broncs. When I'm in that saddle, I'm in the zone. All I'm conscious of is that pounding heartbeat between my knees and the roar of the crowd getting more and more wild with each second that passes. And boy howdy, there's no sweeter music to my ears than that 8-second buzzer. Then you know you've ridden hard, put up a good fight.
Oh, baby, just shut up and come to bed already.
She's not the best I've ever ridden, but boy can she buck.